What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm so incredibly excited to announce that I finally hit 10,000 subscribers! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This one, I'm just saying a massive thank you to everyone so much for all of the support on my channel. I can't believe it. I finally hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and I'm having a party. That is right. So I'm going to talk about the party. I'm going to talk about the massive giveaways that are going to be happening at the party. And also there's going to be a very special opportunity to buy something that is super unique that I will be making in celebration of my 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So stay tuned for all that. But before I talk about all that fun stuff, again, I just have to say thank you so much, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, for all of the support. So much support from this community. This is the best community on YouTube, one of the best communities in the world. The silver stacking community here. I just feel like I've been so accepted by everyone, and there's so many cool people out there, so many awesome channels with great content, and I've made so many friends along the way. So that being said, let's talk first about the party. So the party is going to be on November 22nd. It will be a live stream here on my channel. Now, these are some really cool magnets that I got for the party. So at the party, I'm going to be giving away 10 prizes. You heard that right, 10 prizes, and every single prize is going to have at least an ounce of silver, and they're also going to have some copper, stickers, other fun things, and they'll all come with one of these special magnets. So the Silver Dragons 10K subscriber party magnets will go out with all the prizes. So if you want a chance to win one of those, you got to show up. It's on November 22nd, like I said, right here on my channel. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So it's a Friday night. Hopefully everyone can make it there and watch and have a chance to win something. So the only way to enter to win the prizes is to actually show up to the party and win them by being in the chat. I'm going to have questions and other fun things. Okay, so that's the party. And during the party, there's going to be a lot of other stuff going on as well. So we're not going to be doing just the 10 giveaways. Oh no, we have more stuff planned than just that. So the stuff that I'm giving away, if you don't know, is going to be from the Dragon Box. Now, the Dragon Box have been sending around to some different channels in the community. It's already been to Yankee Stacking, Lady Bullion, and Stacking Stormtrooper. Right now, it's at Guido Stackin's house. It's in his possession. So he's going to take something out of the Dragon Box, add something, and then ship it over to Spectacular, who will do the same and ship it back to me. So hopefully it gets back to me in time for the party. Otherwise, we'll have to like switch days or move it, or I don't know. I'm sure it'll make it back in time. I'm sure it will all work out. So anyway, those prizes in the Dragon Box will be given away. If you haven't been watching those videos or you don't know anything about it, I'll put a link down below in the description so you can watch that playlist I've set up and see where the box has been and how it's doing. So anyway, that's the giveaway portion. Now, what are the other fun things that are going to be going on during the party? I'm going to be doing a serial numbered series of pours that I will be pouring live. So I'm going to be pouring this mold right here. I've never poured it before, but it is a star. So I'm going to call them the Dragon Stars in celebration of my 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to purchase a Dragon Star, you can actually pre-order them. So it's going to be sort of similar to my pour parties. If you've been to my pour parties in the past, then you pretty much know how it works. I'll pour them live, and then after the party, I email you with the final weight and final price. And you can just send me the PayPal for the money, and then I'll get it all finished and shipped off to you. Now, the stars are, like I said, going to be serial numbered 1 through 50. I'm only doing 50 stars right now is the plan. If there's just a massive demand, then we might bump that up. But for right now, I'm just going to limit it to 50. Now, numbers 1, 13, and 47 are already spoken for, so you can't pre-order one of those numbers, but you could order any of the other numbers 2 through 50. So let's say, for example, you really wanted number, I don't know, like 22 or something like that. all you got to do is shoot me an email or a direct message on Instagram. I prefer you just to email me though, silverdragons47@gmail.com, with which number you would like out of the series 1 through 50. And then what I'll do is I will pin a comment down below. So it'll be the top comment pinned with which numbers are still available. So it's just first come, first serve. So the first person to email me and say they want number 5 or whatever will get number 5. And then if that's already taken and you email me and you say, I really want number 5, then I'll just say, oh, I'm so sorry, it's already been taken. See the list of numbers still available. And then if all the 50 pre-orders get filled up on those, then I'll see about adding another 50 to the series. Please don't email me and say, I really want number 66 or anything over 50, because if you do that and we only end up doing 50, then you won't get a pour at all, which would be really sad, because I know a lot of people love the poured silver, and that's a really big part of my channel, and so that's why I'm including that in this party. It's going to be a blast pouring 50 of these stars live during the party. I think it's going to be really fun, and for people that haven't seen live silver pouring, it'll give them a little bit of exposure to that. So if you can't wait for the party and you want to see some live pouring, I'm actually doing another live pour party in 2 days from now. So on Friday, the 8th of November, I'm doing my 10th live pour party. But anyway, so as far as pricing on the pours, they're going to be the exact same as the rest of my pours that I do, even though these will be individually serial numbered, and in celebration of my 10K subscribers, I'm not going to raise the price or anything. They'll be just the same price as all my other silver pours, which are $28 per ounce with free USA shipping. And so they're going to be different weights. I think they're probably going to be, just based on the size of the mold here, I think they're probably going to be around 2 to maybe 3 ounces at the most. So probably somewhere around 2 or 2.5 ounces you can expect on the pour. So those are going to be really fun. I'm really excited for that. Now, also during the party, I want to try and get some other channels on the live stream with me. So I'm going to be reaching out to the other members of the Dragon Box, because they are donating to the giveaway and stuff. And I want to give them an opportunity to be on the party on the live stream with me. So I'll reach out to them and maybe just a few other members of the community, see if other people want to get on. And it's going to be a party. I mean, there's going to be so many giveaways. There's going to be live silver pouring, which will be fun. And then after all the giveaways and the pouring is done, then we'll just do a little Q&A session where we can just sort of hang out casually and we can interact via the chat, the live chat. So if you want to show up and be there for that portion as well, that's going to be really fun. I'm excited for that. But yeah, so that's what's going on for my massive giveaway that's coming up on November 22nd. That's the 10K subscriber party. I got a lot of work to do to get ready for that party in preparation. And honestly, I just want to say again, thank you so much to everyone who's supported my channel. I appreciate you all so much. You have no idea. So thanks. And I'll see you all in my next video, which actually is going to be my pour party number 10. So that'll be fun. Hopefully you can show up to that pour party. And I actually do giveaways at the pour parties as well. So if you can't wait for that big giveaway that's coming up, then maybe you could win something at the pour party on Friday. So anyway, thank you again so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Silver Dragons out.